Awesome Disney Toys here, and we're doing something crazy today. We're making another gummy bottle today, but this time, we're doing a 2-liter gummy Pepsi Cola bottle. This is gonna be one tall order. So let's start by pouring in this 2-liter in the pot. I hope we don't need a second pot. This is a lot of soda. Pour it in the pot. You guys are probably thinking, this is crazy. And yep, that's what we're thinking too. Hopefully this turns out to be good. Woo! Looks like we won't be needing another pot. But wow, look at all this soda. Alright, so when we did the smaller bottles, we needed 8 packets of gelatin. But for this, we need 24 packets of gelatin. Yeah! Let me repeat that. 24! That's crazy! We'll open up 2 packets at a time to try to speed this up. Let's go. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Is this liquid or... Oh my gosh, there's so much gelatin in this pot. How do I even begin mixing this? Oh, I gotta be careful. It's starting to fizz up already. Alright everyone, be sure to carefully stir this, or else this fizz might overflow. Oh, but then again, you may be using a bigger pot. So if that's the case, don't worry. Mix away. Mix it up a little more. Okay, after a good stir, we'll turn the fire on low heat. Since there is a lot more liquid, we'll have to let this heat up for about 10 minutes or until all the foam dissolves. I'll go ahead and do that now. While we wait for that, let's peel off our label. This is very important since we have to make our gummy bottle look super real. I'm gonna need to use my scissor. Carefully. Boom! Here is our perfect Pepsi label. Now I don't have my X-Acto knife, but since this is a pretty big bottle, I need a really big knife. And just like what we do with all the other bottles, cut a line right down the middle. And when you're finished, just cover it up with duct tape. This bottle has a higher chance of leaking just because we're putting in a lot more liquid, so you may want to add a little more duct tape. I'll go with 1 for now, but if you want to be on the safe side, feel free to add more. Now, after all the foam has dissolved, here's how it should look. We'll let this cool for a little bit and then fill it in the bottle. Let's go into hyperspeed and fill this up. We're filling up this 2-liter bottle. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We want gummy bottles. We want gummy bottles. Are you almost done filling up the bottle? No. Hurry, 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 hurry. We're almost at the top. Wow, this is taking a lot longer, but it's probably gonna be super awesome. Alright, so once you fill it to the top, put the cap back on and leave it in the fridge overnight. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And we're back. Oh, it is an exciting day. Please, please, please let this be good. Moment of truth. Woof. Alright, there is no spillage. Just follow the same steps as we always do. And let's rip the plastic. Wow, this is a lot. Whoa. Hello there, Mr. Gummy 2-liter bottle. You're nice and jiggly. Alright, everyone. So far, so good. Whew, but there is a lot of plastic. This is gonna take a little longer. Whew, it's a lot of work. Carefully peel it off. Nice! Our middle is perfect. Now let's work the bottom portion. Careful, careful. You don't want anything to rip. Oh, looks... No! We lost a little bit of gummy, guys. It's alright though. We'll still get by. It wasn't a big chunk. The bottom still looks pretty good. Let's work the top portion now. Alright, please don't rip. Please don't rip. Please don't rip. Whew! And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Introducing the 2-liter gummy cola bottle. Wow, this is a lot of gummy. Okay. We introduced the 2-liter gummy bottle, but let's bring this to life and make it the 2-liter Pepsi gummy bottle. Carefully put the label on. It's a little bit more tricky. Now let's get the cap. And now introducing the 2-liter gummy Pepsi Cola bottle. This is so crazy. Anyone want some Pepsi? Order up. It's time to slice up this gummy bottle. I really didn't think this could be possible, but man, can't believe we made a 2-liter gummy bottle. Now I'm starting to think, what other gummy things can I make? I may do some more 2-liter ones. If you guys have any 2-liter sodas that you want to see turn into a gummy bottle, just write it in the comments below. Here's the bottom portion. Did someone order a coffee table? Because that's what this looks like. You know, if giants were real, this would be the perfect gummy candy for them. Woof! This thing is nuts! Alright, let's work on this portion of the gummy bottle. Slice it up. Now, I'm sure many of you have watched a lot of these gummy videos. Did you guys ever make one and trick someone with it? I would love to hear some stories. Woo! Check out this gummy piece. But going back to the tricking, I read this one comment where they were like, I want to make a gummy bottle and take it to the subway, act like I'm drinking it, and then toss it to someone. Imagine how shocked they would be. But then I thought to myself while I was making this, imagine if you take a 2-liter gummy cola bottle and then toss it at someone. Their eyes would probably get so wide, and they'd probably be super shocked. And no, I'm not saying make gummy bottles and throw it at people. This video doesn't do it justice. You have to see these gummy pieces in real life. They're super huge. It's ginormous. I can't wait to try this actually. When I made the regular Coca-Cola bottle, the flavor was pretty good. So let's see if the Pepsi one's any better. By the way, I didn't add any corn syrup to make this sweeter, so if you guys eat things more on the sweeter side, be sure to add that. Because when you make these gummy version ones, they're not as sweet as the soda. Okay, and as I was talking, I was just still cutting away because there's just way too much gummy right now. Alright, time to give it a go. It tastes like Pepsi. Like I said, not as sweet as a soda, but you definitely taste the flavor. Let's go back to this bottom portion and slice it up. Whew, I'm just doing a lot of slicing today. My cutting skills are getting better. Nope. Slice, 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 slice. Now, who am I gonna share all this with? Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.